Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. So this will help you to manage your money more clearly and stay organized. So first, you will of course create your table headers. In row 1, you will type your date, your category, description, amount, type, which is either income or expense, and you will make them bold for clarity, which is you can find right here on the toolbar. And after that, you will create your drop down for type. So just go ahead and highlight the cells under the type section. So just go ahead and click data validation, which you can find right here under data section. So wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to click add rule. And then for option one, you will set it to income. And for your option two is expense. And now what you will do is you will click done and exit. And now you can either set this either to income or expense, so it really depends what's that. So as you can see, it's for food, so it's more likely expense because it's what you've spent on. And what you will do is after that is you will set up your automatic totals. So in a new section, you will type your total income and then total expense and then balance. Then what you will do is after that, for income you will basically just have to uh you will have to so you will set your formula, so it should be sum if uh you could follow this exact formula that I'm showing in on the screen right now. So income, and make sure that your formula is correct so that you won't be making any mistakes. So once you're done with your formula, you will just have to, okay, so yeah, as you can see, we've made an error, so you will make sure to double check it. Okay, so this is more likely the okay. So once you're done with your formula, so just go ahead and click that. And for your total expense, what you will do is basically just the same formula, and then you will change income to, of course, expense. So just delete that and set it to expense. So make sure to not make any errors uh so that you will be able to successfully have your, okay. So again, set it to expense, and once you're done, click enter. And as you can see, and now for your balance, as you can see, this is the result. And finally, you will just have to format your table. You could add borders if you want to make it more formal, format the amount column as currency, and yeah, apply conditional colors if needed, and your tracker is now ready. So for your total expense, as you've seen, it's 200 here. So for the total expense, you have 200, but you could also set as much as many categories as you want and description and amount. So it really depends on you, and you will just have to set them as income or expense. So it really depends on what you've spent on or what money if you've received money, then it should be income. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, and you'll just have to fill this in so that you will be able um to get your total income or total expense. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.